Hi, I'm Carlton from the Isaac Animal Show.
I'm Josh from the Isaac Animal Show. And I'm Isaac from the Isaac Animal Show. Hey. We're here at a park, a lake. And I haven't really found anything yet, but you can see. But you can see the remains of what animals have been like up here. About half a dozen nests. And then just over there, a small tunnel that's made by ducks. So if I come down, let's go, Isaac. So what some water birds would do is they would make their nests in reeds like this, and they'll go deep down in and lay their eggs. What if a spider bit them? Well, bad luck.
Time you want in there, Isaac.
Josh, you're smaller than you fit.
Just go, Isaac. Take the camera with you. See ya.
Actually, I really don't see why there's anything bad about going in here. But it looks like it's deserted. Whatever you were trying to do, it failed. Why am I holding the camera? You're the cameraman. There, over there.
It's usually a lot more. I usually travel in groups. I always see them.
It's called flux.
Blocks, whatever. Right. You want to go down further to see some geese?
Usually water birds during the day would hide just in amongst the reeds here. So if we be quiet, Josh, we might find something.
Josh, good one.
Okay.
Hold that camera.
You hold it. Where should we go? I'm good.
It's so cool in there. Like, you need a new one.
Pass the camera up here.
You're doing it the hard way, you know.
Right, is it still recording? Right. So, if you get up high, you have a better view. Yeah, right there, Josh?
Yeah, it's fine.
If you get up high, yeah, it's all right. You get a better view of your surroundings. So far we can see nothing with all the leaves in the way. But yeah, trees like this are good for making nests. As they,
See, we're talking very loud because it's windy.
yes, it is very windy. And you can see they have good strong branches and smaller branches like this to rest their nests on. And all around,
I can see how Josh got stuck.
yes, and how I didn't.
I think went a better way.
And then you can see there's heaps of sticks, leaves to build their nests. Trust, I'll come down with it. Alright. I am up about
A meter and a half.
1.5 to 2 meters,
Okay,
and I'm about to attempt to jump. Oh,
Okay, let's go.
that wind would have to be very strong to take me.
Keep
into it.
searching.
Where's my jumper?
Over there.
On the ground over there.
On a good day here, we'll find flocks of ducks and flocks of geese nearly attacking each other like a war. And I was forced to bring the soccer ball, so...
Oh, God.